In 2018 Auto Expo, Sun Mobility battery swapping technology mesmerized the visitors. The battery of an electric bus has been swapped in minutes. Even the CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, also appreciated Sun Mobility for their innovation. Now, Sun Mobility partners with Microsoft to build smart network for its EV energy infrastructure. So, let's see the creator behind Sun Mobility and its complete story. Chetan Maini is the co-founder and vice chairman at Sun Mobility, and he is also the founder of Reva Electric Car Company Limited, best known for building India's first electric car, Reva. He clearly understands that electric vehicle industry has a huge potential in India. However, there are some challenges to be overcome in the EV ecosystem. Firstly, the range anxiety, and secondly, the charging time. EVs on an average can travel 50 to 100 kilometers on a single charge, but after that, those batteries to be charged, whereas the charging time is 3 to 8 hours. So, he came up with a unique solution called battery swapping under Sun Mobility to reduce the refueling time of batteries from 3 hours to 2 minutes 31 seconds. Sun Mobility battery swapping technology swaps an Ashok Leyland electric bus battery in just 2 minutes 31 seconds. That's the quickest time, which means it is faster than the refueling time of petrol and diesel buses, and 150 kilometers of range can get in under 3 minutes. Even these battery swapping stations are maintained under renewable resources like solar energy. Sun Mobility recently tied up with Piaggio Vehicles Private Limited tells the importance of battery swapping technology in India. APCT Electric Auto batteries to be swapped through Sun Mobility swap stations only. As a part of this partnership, Sun Mobility agrees to support Piaggio with its smart lithium-ion batteries and quick interchange stations. It's one more partner, SmartE, an electric mobility service provider. Sun Mobility providing battery swapping infrastructure to SmartE's electric three-wheelers. Even the process of swapping also simple. Through an RFID tag, the driver can take a fully charged battery from the station and can replace the charging slot with his discharged battery. The station then calculates the amount of charge used from the battery inserted and deducts credits from the driver's account accordingly. Even this process can be done in couple of minutes, saving time for driver and go for more trips. These swapping stations can be used by electric three-wheelers, electric two-wheelers and electric four-wheelers as well. Ashok Leyland electric bus battery swap is the best example for understanding. The battery swapping for an electric bus is completely automated. There is nothing to do with manual. It can save time and solves the range anxiety problem. Without a doubt, battery swapping is the best innovation to improve the electric vehicle adoption, and Sun Mobility from India took one step ahead. If swapping stations can be set up across all major centers in India and the battery pack sizes are standardized, we can completely overcome the range anxiety problem of an electric vehicle, and India can adopt electric vehicles with confidence. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.